Nintendo with Legos. You get this! And this here is the Lego Nintendo console. And I'm really excited to go ahead and unbox this, mainly because I am a huge fan of Mario, Nintendo, and of course Lego. So seeing how it all kind of comes together should be quite interesting. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The following video is sponsored by FamiSafe, an app that's designed to keep your kids out of danger online. As you may know, it is a rising issue, and this here is a solution for you, allowing you to go ahead and manage screen time, track daily usage, as well as real-time location. It gives you full control over the child's phone. Now, if you guys wanted to try it out, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you have this Mario character, very interactive. He's got eyes that move, and then he's got a mustache, and then you have the little mouth that moves as well. On his chest there will actually go ahead and show exactly what he sees or what's going on. And then and when you jump, it makes sound effects as if he's actually jumping in the game. That's so cool. So definitely a smart character. Now keep in mind, it is one full LCD screen, and actually looks really interactive, and it's actually quite vibrant, so a very cool design concept. Now it does have a speaker on the back here, so that's kind of where you hear the audio, and it has Bluetooth capability, so you can technically connect it to your phone if necessary. Alright, so this is our Nintendo box. It's actually a pretty darn big box. So you do showcase the console here as well as the TV screen. Very cool. So it's got 2,600 pieces. That's an insane amount. And then as you kind of flip it over, it kind of showcases all the details, of course. So you get that cartridge, you get that system, the console, then you get this TV screen that actually moves. It's really cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and cue up that montage and build ourselves a Nintendo system. Have it. So we just finally built these, and it did take a good amount of time. Now it's obviously two different projects, and they're two completely different builds. So first off, you have the Nintendo system here. Now this was kind of interesting to build just because you see a lot of different things as you're building it that you don't really see physically to begin with. So they do have a little bit of an Easter egg. For instance, if you look at the console itself on the side here, you can go ahead and just lift that up just like that. You'll notice on the side here they have original NES Mario Bros level indicated into it. So this here's like the pipeline version. So it's kind of cool how they included that, and then you just go ahead and cover it by simply putting it like that. Now everything on it is quite functional, well, for the most part. So you do have the lid that kind of pops up like that, and then the gear mechanism on the inside for our actual cartridge is quite interesting. Now the cartridge itself is very unique. It's actually got even a green layer on the bottom indicating the original cartridge itself. And you just go ahead and do one of blow-up methods like that, and then just go ahead and put it in. And then this is cool. It even makes the original click that you hear. And you're going to close it, and you can go ahead and play. Now as you kind of rotate it about, you'll notice that on the back and on the sides you have all the original different modules. So you have your audio and your video, and then you even have like the power cord on the back, and then you even come with this little controller that plugs right into the first player. Now the controller itself is quite identical to the original in size as well as design concept, but it's again a very unique looking function. So you just go ahead and play your Nintendo game, which you can play on your TV. So the TV is very fun, though this was actually a very complicated build, mainly because there's a lot of different parts that you don't see. Again, all of it is the inside working mechanisms. So the inside part of it is very complicated. So you have this almost like a turbine that actually kind of rotates the screen, and then as you kind of move it about, you'll notice that it is so crazy. So the Mario character will actually move about, and then it'll go up and down, and it'll go throughout the whole entire level. And as it continues on, you'll get to the end, it'll just keep repeating itself over and over and over again. Now, the fun thing is the way they kind of make it. So you even have these dials here which actually rotate, and then you have your buttons, And then you have an antenna that actually goes up and down. It'll actually go ahead and plug it into the back just like that. And then you even have your ports as well as your audio and your video, and then your power port as well. Now, the unique thing about this is the top portion here. So this will go ahead and open up just like this, and you'll notice that there is a barcode. So this will actually go ahead and use our mini Mario figure, in which you put over here, and then as you kind of rotate it about, you'll see that it showcases different colors. These colors here will indicate different sounds that the character makes as it goes throughout the level. So it comes with this stand, which you can actually go ahead and lift off just like that, so just keep that in mind. Other than that, it is a very tedious build, but overall the end outcome is very self-fulfilling and very rewarding. I actually enjoyed it a lot, and I think this makes a great nostalgic piece for anybody who enjoys Mario or Nintendo. And yeah, there you guys have it. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.